So guys, how to add text with only a stroke in Filmora? It's really simple. To add text, click on this button, then select quick text. Let's give it same length as our video footage. Then if we move to right side, title, basics, under presets, as you can see, we have a stroke looking preset, but it's not a stroke. So let's select it, increase the size, single left click, drag. See, these have reflection and the color is pink color. Now if we select the text and try to change the color, see, it's not working. So how to insert text with only a stroke? Move to bottom right corner, click on this advanced button, select the text, scroll down, disable the shadow or the reflection for this text. Now go up. This is our stroke. Let's change the color to white. Then increase the thickness. Also we can play with the opacity. After we are done, press on apply. Now just select the text and change the text style and the size. So guys, that's how easily we can add text with only a stroke in Filmora. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.